Okay, checking out this monster system we got here. Nice one here. So we got a jack. Then we got a USB to C charger. Pretty cool. Super suction cup. A little thing in there. Instruction booklet. And a little, I forget what those are called, but you know what those are used for. Then we got a speaker here. Oh yeah. And we got the handle here. Charger station down there with the jack. And a little LED light thing. Power button.
Discovering. Your device is connected.
I like it, we like it, we like it.
Pull up, me no take pull over. Couple millions are locking out of the villa. Guns and a killer, da below. Yeah, watch out to a skull in a spaceship. I'm a guy that you can't come near me. Can't come near me. Oh.